Hello, I'm Helen B. Hill, and I'd like to share this altered file folder that I made for a swap in a Facebook group. It's basically a file folder that's a bit grunged up and has sewing on the top and the bottom and a zigzag stitch. So we'll open it up. This is for a junk journaler, so I hope that she just feels free to take it all apart and use all the pieces as she wishes. So we have a large lace pocket at the bottom. Here's a crocheted flower right here and a little lace flower at the top that I made with a little brad bling. And here we have a row of edging on little roses. So we have just some little cuties here, little aged booklet. And this is a nice big journal card. Good for writing. Here we have a grid paper that is good for writing that opens up. And the little mason jar is actually a tuck spot too, so you can put something else there. And this is an envelope that I grunged up with gesso and paint and napkin. That's some little goodies and some pockets and things to put in there. And here we have a cute little deli bag full of goodies. Little cute tag from a catalog. And darling tag inside, little pocket. A little tuck spot there. And this is kind of an accordion booklet here. Opens up. Little pockets and tags and bling and whatnot to play with all through there. And the other side. Lots of goodies. Little clear pocket thing there. Lots of playthings. I'll put those aside. And there's a little kind of belly band at the top. And we were to make a small journal and a large journal. This one is just a tiny little extra little notepad. That's kind of fun. Little ruffle. And there you can see the actual layers there. And on the back, we have a piece of pattern paper here, kind of collaged. Another large pocket. This one actually has a smaller pocket with brown paper inside. There's 2 packets inside. We have a nice little flip right here, which also is a pocket for some tags at the top. And if we kind of dig in, we have a little envelope here for writing. Open one. Yep. And little antique type of book with little buttons on. And another envelope. This is a tuck spot right here. Open it up and it has a little notepad in it with coffee dyed paper. It's kind of fun. Nice bright colors. Another journal card here. And there's an extra pocket right in here that some of it came out of. And your little flip. And in the actual pocket we have the large journal, which is a combination of different papers and pages. And what else do we have? Another little flip booklet, more notebook paper, and another little book. Little cuties. And another scrapbook flip kind of thing for scraps. And another the little book here. And this is, I forgot what it's called. Kind of a Japanese spine treatment. I forgot what it's called. And the copy dyed paper. Kind of grungy. Kind of fun. And we have an envelope that was really cute idea, fun to do. Held together with techie stuff. And a little booklet inside here. Little bling. Those are pretty fun to do. So, and I think that's it. You can see there's a lot of room in the huge pocket right there. So I hope this recipient has a good time playing with it, and I hope that if you try it, you will enjoy it too. Thank you.